Before the existence of humans, birds, and dogs, the Earth was just being created. Our story begins about 4.6 billion years ago with the birth of the Earth. Our best guess for the beginning of life is about 3.8 billion years ago, which begins the Archean period. During this period, Earth experienced a bombardment of comets and asteroids, leading to the formation of Earth's crust and oceans. Fossils of the first prokaryotic cells have been found, which show cyanobacteria that dates back to 3.5 billion years ago. During the Proterozoic era, the presence of single-celled and multicellular organisms began to become more populous. By this time, eukaryotic cells with more advanced features like organelles begin to appear. The oldest fossil evidence of multicellular animals is found as well. Along with the Cambrian explosion came the presence of animals that could be classified in distinct phyla, such as brachiopods, trilobites, mollusks, and echinoderms. The Ordovician period saw the first plants appear, as well as the diversification of marine life. Around 480 million years ago, the first fish and the vertebrate appeared. As time went on, animals, specifically arthropods, were the first to adapt to land. These early land animals evolved into spiders, centipedes, and mites. During the Devonian period, life on land and in water flourished. Two major groups were on the land, tetrapods and arthropods. In the oceans, brachiopods were plentiful. On land, plants with roots and leaves appeared as well. During the Permian period, the largest mass extinction in the history of Earth occurred. The extinction of land species allowed new species to arise. As for causes, no one is certain, but some say volcanoes or asteroids could be the culprit. The Triassic period was a transition period. Within the Triassic period, plants like conifers were prevalent. Dinosaurs were also present during this time. In addition, mammal-like reptiles were prevalent and would later evolve into true mammals. During the Jurassic period, reptiles were the dominant animals. The presence of dinosaurs exploded during this period. Flying dinosaurs also evolved from the land dinosaurs. The first bird, Archaeopteryx, is also found, which dates back to this time period. Of the Earth was changed with the presence of angiosperms 130 million years ago during the Cretaceous period. At the end of the Cretaceous period, there was another mass extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs and all land animals. Scientists are still not quite sure about the cause of the extinction event. With the absence of dinosaurs, the previously small mammals began to take up more space and have the opportunity to grow and expand. The first primates appeared during this period as well. Pliocene epoch period, primates continue to diversify. About 5.2 million years ago, the first hominid, or human-like primate, evolves, Lucy. Today, Homo sapiens roam the Earth and evolved to our current form approximately 200,000 years ago. This timeline helps us to understand the complexity by which all the creatures on Earth evolved. The study of evolution sheds light on our ancestors and can even be useful for medical applications by looking at species that are genetically similar to humans.